Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, all my friends in Delhi. You are all aware that from last 3 to 4 decades, through the oncology groups, we are meeting and conducting the various meetings. On an occasion like this, like the down the memory lane, when Mr. Dr. Kopala showed the photograph of Dr. P.S. Rao, who was heading the Department of Biotechnology at the Engineering College, Dayananda Sagar Group of Institution. Few months earlier to the conference, he came to me that we are doing a conference of this nature. I was wondering, why did you remain away from us all these days when you are organizing it? And all of us know that there is a lot of gap between the treating physicians, the oncologists, and the basic research people. Since morning also we are talking, the gap has to be filled, and we have to be a liaison man who can speak the common language between both of us. Keeping this in mind, we became friends. Dr. Gopala was introduced. We had a conference in Bangalore, and after that, Gopala decided that we should move over to the various parts of the country. And you are all aware that as a clinical oncologist, we know our limitations. We are concentrating more on the patient care and the quality of care, and there is a gap existing between the treating physician and the basic researchers. And I thought, as a clinician and as an oncologist, we believe in the concept of multidisciplinary team approach. They are also the part of the team. This is the right forum where we can join together, keeping all our egos on one side, who is who, what I am doing. So keeping this in mind, I thought this is a nice venture of bringing together. And as we always think that there is a gap, in order to bridge the gap, either we should go to the universities or medical colleges. When they said that RML is the ideal place, we thought this has become a postgraduate research institute. Let us go to the institution. It should benefit a lot of younger generation to look into the common programs so that the future generations will get much more benefited with this. And we all know that even in Delhi, in the next year, we're going to have an Indian Cancer Congress. Dr. Rath and the team of oncologists have taken a big lead in organizing a massive conference. I thought this is the right thing. When we are doing it in Delhi, next year we can join them and make their conference successful. Gopala will bring some more team to the conference and give a good dissemination of knowledge to the younger generation in this country. With this in background, I don't take much of time. I thank everybody concerned, who are all my friends, Dr. Doval, Dr. Chintamani, Dr. Sood, and Dr. Alok now, whom we met first time. And they all joined together, worked like a team. Today we are sitting here to have the conference on a unique day in Delhi. We all know that 19th November is the birthday of Mrs. Indira Gandhi, who contributed to the development of science and technology on this occasion. I think we pay tribute to her also on this occasion. And I conclude by telling, in the future Indian Cancer Congress, we should be the part of the team and bringing together everybody under one roof for a better care of the cancer patient. And as Gopala was telling, we also look at the preventive programs which benefits large population of this country. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.